Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to replace a cam sensor on a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer 4.2. So this is the sensor that we're going to replace. And to replace it, you have to push back this little clip here. Don't drop it like me. After that, you can press on the connector and unplug it. Then you have to loosen this 10mm bolt that holds the sensor in place. When it's loose, you can unscrew it by hand. Don't drop it. And then you should be able to just pull it straight out. So this is the new sensor. It's a GM part. Here's the part number. I just put a little engine oil on the O-ring here, so it fits right in. Make sure you put it straight in the hole. Then you put the 10mm bolt back in. Then you plug it back in. Push the retaining clip forward. And you're done. So this is the code that we had, P0340. And now we're going to erase it. And that's how you replace your cam sensor with only a screwdriver, a 10mm wrench and a code scanner. Thanks for watching.